Hello everybody, ciao a tutti and welcome to Art with Ms.B. Today I really felt the need to do a little short mindful practice. So this is what this video is about. Remember, mindful practices are pretty short, very spontaneous, very organic practice with no planning and no focus on a specific element of principle, just a moment that you dedicate to yourself to kind of recenter and refocus and be present in your mind and in your body through the artistic process and the experience. They are very, very helpful for whoever struggle with ADHD, ADD, stress-related issues, and if you're a homeschooling parent, you want to make sure that you include the one mindful practice per week or every time that you feel that your child needs that. And as an adult, I personally do it at least once per week. It's like a sort of a yoga. It's just like an artistic process. Make sure that you have your comfortable posture. You are focused on the repetition of the same actions on the paper and also on your breath, in and out, very natural. For today's practice, I'm going to use a small watercolor paper, watercolors. So you need a cup with water, a brush, watercolors, and a small paper. If you don't have a watercolors or watercolor paper, remember that you can do the same practice also using different media. Is the process and the concept that count, is not the product at all. I switch in the camera so we are all ready, and you can put a relaxing music or you can do it in silent, whatever works better for you. I highly encourage you, if you use music, don't use something that you can sing along with, because that would be a distraction and it's not going to help you to recenter. So we start with no plan at all, so no need for drawing anything, and I'm using my watercolors. Today I'm gonna focus on a specific color palette. You can follow me or you can do something different. Remember, good posture, focus on your breath, in and out, and absolute relax. Our practice is over, and I really focus on myself, and I just thought of nothing except the brush mark on the paper. I wanted to get inspired by the fall palette. Definitely this is a very inspiring season. It's also a season that comes with change, right? Change is nature. We are about to change the time again. So there are many changes ahead of us, and these mindful practices are really, really, really refreshing and restoring. I hope you enjoy, and I will create a playlist with all the mindful practices so you can do them over and over at any time that you feel the need. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I see you all very soon. Ciao a tutti.